Okay, let's keep going with our framer template build. So I was working on my buttons. Now I figured out all the little intricacies of how to make it function as customizable as possible. I even figured out a way to make the collars connected to a property. Basically what I did is I used vector sets inside of the like the icon component. That way we got rid of a bunch of basically unnecessary properties that I really didn't want to have, but without doing it like this, it was the only way. So now we can just go ahead and pick the icon from here, right? Which is great. And we also have like the color of the icon is supposed to change depending on this property there, but that's what I am fixing right now. So we're going to go ahead and kind of reconfigure that. So primary with background should have the icon color black. Without a background, the icon color should be, for the dark one, it should be cream, because it's going to be the little black dot like that. And then for primary light, the color is going to be, I believe, cream. Primary no BG light, the color is going to be black. Okay, icon color. Cool. So that should take care of that issue that I was showing right now. Yep. Now the same with the secondary. So secondary with background, background fill. It's going to be cream on this one. The one without the background is going to be black. For the light one, it's going to be, with BG, it's going to be black. And no BG, it's going to be, I think cream is right. Let's just make sure. So we're going to do no background. Cycle through all of these. Right icon. Light. Yeah. Perfect. Cool. The last thing to adjust is that you can see this is not a perfect circle anymore. Just want to check what exactly is happening there. So yeah, you see that that's fixed right there. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that as fixed as well. I think that should take care of it. Basically in all of them. It's going to be 12 and 12, and over here it's the same. And 12. So I think that should do it. Let's see. Yep. Something's weird with the spacing there, but I'm gonna check that in a moment. All right. Yeah, all of them are rounded, properly rounded. And now for the spacing, we'll just see what's happening here. Yeah, the secondary one, we have a little weird thing going on. There's probably something to do with this. There's a little bit of a mismatch between the positioning there and how much space we have on the top and bottom. So the ones on the left actually first. So this one, no, this one. We have a 0, which is correct. Here it's 3. And the ones on the right, this one is 4, so it should be 3. And this one should be 0. I think that should somewhat take care of it. Unfortunately, the button's getting an uneven, like an odd number for the height. So let me go ahead and try doing something. Yeah, of course it's not going to work from here. Let's see. Let's do a minimum height of 38. Same here. I think that should do it. Let's see. Yeah, almost. 38, 38, and here inside. I mean, yeah, those should be. Actually, those should be, the minimum height should be set on those instead. So we're gonna move it from here and put it here on the ones, I mean, the ones with BG fill, but I'm just gonna put it on both. And there we go. Fit. Okay, that should do it. Great. All right, so now last thing to do is just to go ahead and adjust our positioning here on the stack that has the icons. So it's gonna be 3 and 4, 3 and 3. Yeah. Go ahead and align it over on this side and also here. It's supposed to be 4 and 4, not -4 and 4. I wonder what's happening there. Let's see here. So this one should be 3 and 3. I'm definitely gonna have to look at those because I don't know why they're acting this way. Okay, let's see. Right icon. I mean, it does work. Let's check all of them. Yeah, that one's definitely out of alignment. Right icon, no. BG fill, no. Light, no. Actually, light, no, or yes. So BG fill, no. Right icon, no. So primary, no BG. Just gonna be left, no BG. What the heck? I guess I could just go ahead and do that. Is it maybe because of the size there? It's not really 200, is it 200? Yeah, it's like it's a 32. There we go. That's why there's a little bug there. But I think that should do it. Okay, it's this one. It's a 32. So this one is also going to be 32. Then I guess we can just go ahead and set it to 4. No. 12, 32. There. And here 4. Okay. I'm curious to see what's happening there. So let's actually show that with our little trick. Using condition equals set it to no. And there, let's see. Yeah, it's definitely weird. All right, so okay, that's it. That should be it. 333. Can I anchor? I wonder how I could. I guess it just has to be fixed. So set it to fit, fit, fit. These ones are gonna be. Let's do like yeah. So let's go ahead and remove those again. Set them back to normal. Now on the right side, we want to see this one where, okay, that's fine, 333, okay. How about the other one? This one is not correct, I believe. 333, 32, 32. Okay, good. So, all right, so that should do it for all the buttons. Let's go ahead and, oops, I forgot to adjust this one and this one. Beautiful. Now they're all spaced correctly. Let's do primary just to be sure. when it's left icon, okay, hold on a second. So BG fill, no. Left icon, primary. The fill is incorrect. So primary, left icon, primary, no BG. BG fill, no. And icon color BG, icon BG fill black. This one should be set to cream. Okay. Yes, light, no BG fill, no right icon. And it's yes, primary, right? Yeah. So yes, primary, yes, light, no BG fill. Something's off here. Fastest way to figure it out. Detach the instance. Have a look here. Okay, the height there is set to fixed of 0. Let's go ahead and look at the left icon under here. 32 fit. There we go. This one. Actually, both should just be set to 100%. That's it. 100% on all of them. On icon BG. Yep. 100%, same here. And that should do it. There we go. Also light, dark, BG fill, yes or no. Left and right. Light, dark, BG fill, yes or no. Right or left. Okay. There's one last one that we didn't check, which was this one. All right, cool. Everything's looking perfect now. So this one's actually primary. That is dark. And yeah, that's all good. Go ahead and just double check the hover states, because I just want to make sure. So this one's going to be light. This one's going to be no BG fill. No right icon. And then no for all of them. For all the primaries, let's just double check. And then everything's working as intended, which I believe that it is. No, just the little icons are not moving there, but that's pretty easy to fix. Other than that, it's pretty much perfect. Except for the alignment here. Ah, no, that's because it's set to left. Okay, that's fine. So here, the icons are not moving. So that just means that over on the hover states, all of our stacks should be being set to end over here. So and yeah, this one's not. Probably this one is not either. No, that one's fine. So back to it again. The arrows are all moving. Great, amazing. Now the last little thing I want to adjust. I want to adjust the fact that this on hover it gets like there's a border there. So I just want to see if it's on both directions. So we have this one and this one. Yeah, both directions. Okay, good. So that's gonna be primary, light, BG fill, yes, right icon, yes. On hover. Primary, light, BG fill, yes. Background border, text color, okay, background border should be set to solid black. Pretty sure that's what it is. I mean, it is, except it doesn't transition. But I guess that's fine. Okay, cool. So let's just test the secondaries and we'll be good to go. Okay. The only ones that have a little issue are hover of the left icon and OBG secondary. Oh yeah, they shouldn't have. Problem's not in the hover actually, so secondary, no BG. Just gonna detach just to see if I can check what's happening here. Hmm. Oh, okay. Those should be set to 0. All right, so you go from 0 to 3, not 3 to 0. So on the secondaries without a BG, left icon, no BG. This stack should be 0. Left icon, no BG. This stack should be 3. And then for the right, I think it's already correct. But I'm just going to double check to be sure. Yep, all good. All good. Okay. It's going from 0 to 3. It should be 0 to 0. Yeah, that's it. That's true. So here, 0 to 0. I think that's that. Yep, beautiful. All right, finally, after a long time, we have a button that basically serves like every single purpose I can think of for this design and many others. Definitely going to be reusing this one. Okay, awesome. So let's see where we're at. Now that this whole button ordeal is done, I'm going to jump into the help and FAQ page. So actually, yeah, this is just going to be FAQ instead. And I am pretty sure I had a component set up for FAQs. I was making an accordion component a while back. Let me see here. I have components, accordion, something I've been working on. I'm just gonna reuse that. Yeah. Let's see if it's already ready to be used the way that I want it to be. So this page will be the FAQ. Sorry, just a moment. Apologies. So basically, this FAQ is going to be, yeah, we're just going to use the accordion component that I created here on this one. Desktop breakpoint will be 1440. And our nav bar variant is going to be the one with for light backgrounds. Here we're going to have, well, actually, let's go ahead and just copy the structure over. I do have to set up a boilerplate, but that's fine. It's okay. Cool. So center, center. All right, so now we need a title. Let's just go ahead and reuse our collections one, FAQ here. Perfect. Say FAQ. frequently asked questions, right? We have a little bit of a gap here of like 80. Bottom of 240. All right, cool. So here we're just gonna style it so that it looks like that. I might have to make some changes to this component here. But let's see. Just figured I could do it in such a way that I could just connect to stacks for the layouts there. For now, let's just keep it like this. I'm just gonna kind of populate with frequently asked questions. Actually gonna go ahead and use ChatGPT for this to generate some. I wonder if there's a plugin. I never checked Figma for, oh, sorry, I'm in the wrong place here. Not Figma, Framer. Never checked Framer for a ChatGPT plugin. I wonder, GPT. Huh. Copy Pro, plugin paid. Okay, whatever, that's fine. Clear all, and I'm gonna go back to my project. Go ahead and just ask ChatGPT to generate 10 questions and answers for Scandinavian furniture brand FAQ page. Brand is named Love. Cool. And we'll just use that. This one I should just use a pre-built one that I had before. Pretty sure I had one for this template. About contact, maybe? No. Did I have it? I'm not sure. That's fine. All right. So let's try and edit this in such a way that let's see. Let's make it into an FAQ accordion. By the way, if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm using Framer Workshop, which is an AI that has access to the Framer canvas, and you can just kind of interact with it to make components out of code that you don't have to write, and you just instruct it to add features and do things the way that you want them to be. Super, super nice. If you haven't tried it, I definitely recommend it. So turn this into an FAQ accordion component where the question answer block will be referenced from a stack off screen where I can connect the data points from to make it dynamic using an object as a list of Q's and A's, but keeping styling, full styling control with native framer props. Let's see if it's going to understand. Should be quite quick to do it. All right, cool. Not exactly what I wanted. Not exactly what I had in mind, but close. I want to reference the structure and design of the question answer block once, connecting to an off-screen stack. However, then only the content will be added in the Q&A items object. That way we eliminate the need for styling options in the component itself. Exactly. I guess now it understands, at least from this sort of explanation you gave me here. So we'll see. Beautiful. It's looking like it did get it. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and design something super quickly. So I'll do like, this is a question. It's gonna be a paragraph element. So like a medium. Is it a medium? Yeah. Let's see. It's a question. Here we're gonna do like, I'm gonna add a button. For now, I'm just gonna add button icon here, just to see if it's gonna do what I want, right? Stack it to add some padding. Fit and fit. And a little bit of of a visual. That's fine. for now. This is a question, and then here we have to have the answer, which is just a paragraph. Set the styling to regular. Now this is all gonna be like the whole thing. Set it to fill. And the whole accordion is gonna be like a width of 500, let's say, just for now. Okay, cool. So now question, answer. This whole block is like an item, and here we have an accordion component, right? Okay. We'll adjust accordingly, but I think that this should be enough. So so what is it asking for? Question answer template. I wonder if it took the right one. Yeah, it did. Although something doesn't look right. Alright, so actually what we're going to do is we're going to separate it, split the reference block into answer and to question. Question and answer. So they get referenced separately. I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see. So now we're going to go accordion item. So like question, answer. Actually, the answer block is going to be, I'm just going to add a stack because we might want to have padding and stuff like that. So here we're going to do question template is going to be, okay, it should be separate. Question, answer. Okay. Okay, but now nothing is displayed. Nothing is shown in the component. Yeah, it definitely still doesn't work. Basically gonna be gonna keep clicking. There's an issue until it starts showing something. Okay, amazing. Let's see how it's behaving. All right, cool. That's amazing. That's out of the box now. First time it showed up, it's doing basically exactly what I want. So what we're going to do now is add styling options. Yeah, actually, add styling options. So to the parent container of the accordion period. Whole accordion, as well as to the accordion item element that holds one question and answer group. I need to be able to control layout options, stack direction, padding, gap, border, background, etc. Let's see how that's gonna go. That's actually gonna be a really useful component. And then we have to have some kind of open state. Yeah, actually, okay, so I'm gonna make this into a component, and then accordion, FAQ accordion question. This is the primary, and this is the, so open, closed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spin this icon like 90 degrees just to see. I have, let me see if it's still referenced. No, it's not. Question template, amazing. So now I've made the question template element a component with a closed and open, with closed and open variants. Integrate that into the accordion's behavior. This way we can create our own states. If we want to like spin an icon or like do whatever we want when the question opens and closes, we can do that independently, and we don't have to like mess with settings of the component. So yeah, if that works, it's gonna be sweet. It really should, because it's just a little extra step there. That is wrong. me just drag this somewhere else. Okay. All right. I guess I should just, yeah, I should add this as a question text. Here it's the same. And this way, question text variable to the component to expose the text element and make it accessible in the first level. The component referenced for the question is not showing up on the final accordion. It's still not going the way that I want it to be. We are still having issues displaying the FAQ accordion question component as the question in the accordion you're creating here. I need to have it be the question using the question text entered in the Q&A object. When someone opens it, the variant of this referenced component should switch to the open, to the one named open, and closed vice versa. Let's just see what's happening when I use it. Like, it kind of works. I still don't see the component there in the question. Is this possible to do? Yeah, I guess this is gonna take a while, or this has been taking a while even. Once it's done, the actual page build is gonna be super simple. But I'm gonna end the live stream here at 1 hour, and I'm gonna keep at this, trying to see what's happening, if I can make it work the way that I want it to. And hopefully just build the page quickly and move on to the next one. So let's see. Is there something else that I can do here? It's a little bit frustrating, but other than that, it got exactly what I needed from like showing like the states before. No question template connected. Okay. Okay, now check what is happening. It's clearly not connected. We're almost at the hour mark here. Let's see if we're gonna get lucky and this is gonna be fixed. Try passing, still getting error. Fix it. All right, let's try. And we'll finish the live stream after this next result that it's going to spit out here. We'll see. Yeah, it's not working. Ensuring the radio processor spread and then overridden with custom props. No question template connected. All right. So let's end the live stream here. And I will see you on the next episode where we continue to build this template out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.